Hello, sweet learners. You're most welcome in the channel KB Exam Idea. This is the second video on this chapter, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. And in this video, we will discuss about the Hitler's rise to power. I hope this video will be useful for you. So first, let's know about the Hitler. Hitler full name was Adolf Hitler. Hitler was born on 20th April 1889 at the Palace of Bruno am in Austria. Hitler's father name was Alois Hitler and Hitler's mother name was Clara Hitler. Hitler wrote a book in German language, Mein Kampf, which means My Struggle in English. Hitler died on April 30, 1945 at the Berlin in Germany, and this was the sign of Hitler's Nazi party, and you can see this sign on the right arm of the Hitler. And children, you know what is the meaning of Hitler? In the German language, Hitler means a poor person who live in hut. So I again told you some facts about the Hitler. Adolf Hitler was a German politician and leader of the Nazi party. He rose to power as a Chancellor of Germany in 1933 and then as Führer in 1934. During his dictatorship from 1933 to 1945, he initiated World War II in Europe by invading Poland on 1st September 1939. Hitler rose to power. Background: economic, social and political crises were responsible for rise of the Hitler, and other things were horrified by Germans' defeat in World War I, and Versailles Treaty made him furious. 1919, Hitler joined German Workers' Party and he renamed German Workers' Party National Socialist German Workers' Party, and this party known as Nazi Party. Nazi Party. Hitler joined German Workers' Party in 1919. Took over renamed as National Socialist German Workers' Party. Children, remember this party name because many times this question asked in board exams. Later recognized as Nazi Party. Nazi Party came to power. Hitler led an unsuccessful coup against government in 1923. Nazi Party got no more than 2.6% votes in the Reichstag in 1928, and after 4 years, 1932, Nazi Party became the largest party with a vote bank share of 37%. Destruction of democracy. On 30 January 1933, President Hindenburg offered the chancellorship to Hitler, and you know that chancellor would have been like the Prime Minister of India. This was the highest position in the cabinet of ministers. A mysterious attack and fire on German Parliament Reichstag building took place in Berlin on 27th February 1933, and this event was very important in Germany's history. It was seen pivotal in the establishment of Nazi Party. On 28 February 1933, suspended Swiss rights that had been guaranteed by the Weimar Republic, and these Swiss rights were freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of assembly, Then he turned on his arch enemies, the communists, to the newly established concentration camps. They were, however, only one among the 52 types of victims persecuted by the Nazis across the country. The Enabling Act was passed in March 1933. The Enabling Act. This act was passed in March 1933, established dictatorship in Germany. It gave Hitler all powers to sideline parliament and rule by decree. All political parties and trade unions were banned except for the Nazi Party and its affiliates. Law official called Law for Removing the Distress of the People and Reich. State established total control over the economy, media, and also judiciary. Security forces. These were the regular police, that time green uniform and SA or storm troopers. And special surveillance and security forces were created to bring order in the society. And these special security forces were Gestapo, Secret State Police, SS Protection Squads, Criminal Police, SD Security Services. The police forces acquired tremendous powers. The people could now be detained in Gestapo torture chambers, rounded up and sent to concentration camps, deported at will or arrested without any legal procedure. Process of reconstruction. Zalmer Schacht, appointed finance minister by Hitler to restore German economy. Students learn Zalmer Schacht name because this question may be asked in your board exam. Schacht created state-funded work creation programs. Construction of German superhighways started. The People's Car Volkswagen, an idea of Hitler. You can see the Volkswagen during this time also a leading car producer company. Hitler's foreign policy believed in new territories to be acquired for settlement. Policy card Lebensraum or living space. What is the meaning of Lebensraum? The Nazi government aimed at repopulating these lands with Germanic colonists in the name of Lebensraum during World War II and thereafter. Withdrew from League of Nations in 1933. He reoccupied Rhineland in 1936. Integrated Austria and Germany in 1938 under the slogan One People, One Empire and One Leader. They went on West German speaking Sudetenland from Czechoslovakia. Objectives achieved. Reoccupied Saar region in January 1935. June 1935 signed Anglo-German Naval Pact. Remilitarized Rhineland, thus breached Versailles and Locarno Pact. 1936 signed Anti-Comintern Pact with Italy and Japan, thus created Rome, Berlin, Tokyo axis. Students learn Rome, Berlin, Tokyo axis countries name. This question may be asked in your board exam. March 1938 occupied Austria. Remilitarized Rhineland, thus breached Versailles and Locarno Pact. Students, you can see here Rhineland area. This area was demilitarized with the Pact of Versailles Treaty, and Hitler now remilitarized this area, so the Versailles and Locarno Pact was broken. This area was rich in minerals such as coal, iron, etc. Hitler's conquest. In 1st September 1939, Hitler attacked in Poland. Britain and France gave 2 days ultimatum to Germany for surrender, but he had not surrendered himself, and on 3rd September 1939, Britain and France declared war against Germany and Hitler, and this was outbreak of the beginning of the World War II. So the World War started on 3rd September 1939. Hitler occupied Denmark and Norway in April 1940, Luxembourg, Netherlands, and Belgium in May 1940, Belarus, Baltic states, and Ukraine in June 1940. Hitler defeated German Western Front was exposed to British air bombing and Eastern Front to powerful Soviet armies. In 1941, Hitler attacked Soviet Union, which was a blunder by him. Soviet armies inflicted crushing defeat on Germany at Stalingrad, retreating German soldiers until they reached the heart of the Berlin. Role of USA. America had a decisive in World War II. Axis powers had a strong position before America joined the World War II. And Japan supported Hitler, expanded power plant attacks on US naval base. The attack on Pearl Harbor, a surprise military strike by the Imperial Japanese Navy Air Force upon the United States against the naval base at Pearl Harbor in Honolulu, territory of Hawaii. US finally joined the Allies and war ended in May 1945. Hitler defeated in the World War II. Little Boy. What was Little Boy? Little Boy was an atom bomb which dropped by USA on Japan's Hiroshima city on 6th August 1945. And Fat Man also an atom bomb which dropped by America on Nagasaki in Japan on 9th August 1945. Students, remember these bombs name because they may be asked in your exams. Thank you for watching. In next video, we will discuss about the Nazi worldview.